Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Known CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Known CMS is a free and open source content management tool and also publishing platform to share different type of posters like photos, notes, stories, songs and etc. And then it is written in PHP and can be used with any type of database. Okay, now let us see how to install Known CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting your installation, I have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.2. Okay, first of all we have to download the Known CMS package using by wget command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. After downloading, we have to extract and rename the download file using by unzip command. Then we have to restore this directory. Then we have to move the Known directory into the /var/ww/html directory using by move command. Then we have to change ownership and permission for the Known directory. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Known CMS. So go to site available location. Then here we have to create known.conf file using by vim editor. Now change insert mode. Then here we have to create name based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then after configuring, we have to enable the known.conf file. Then we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Then here give your local IP. Then give your domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache web server. Then after restarting our Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Here we can see Known CMS installation. So we have to click let's get started. Then here we can see system requirements. Then PHP modules. Everything is fine. Now we have to click let's get you set up. Then here we can see technical setting. First of all we have to give your site name. Then scroll down. Then here we can see database setting. Here already I have created database and database user. So we have to fill the database detail. First of all we have to give database name. Then database username. Then password. Then scroll down. Then here we can see upload directory. Then finally we have to click onwards. Then here we can see admin user setting. So we have to fill the admin credential. After filling the details, we have to click register. Then finally here we can see admin page of Known CMS. Thus we have seen how to install Known CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.